Hello everyone, I'm Yashwant and today I'm going to discuss about the project Mint Rooms project, which utilizes the latest Ripple Network's XLS-20d for the for the project. So currently this Mint Rooms project will utilizes the XLS-20d and the functionality that have been implemented in this project is bulk minting and authorizing a third party as a minter on behalf of the owner or creator, and also how you can make an offer, accept an offer and cancel an offer, and the lastly use implementation of hooks, how you can use the hooks here to get it done. Okay, so let me go through the flow here first. Firstly, the hotel admin, who is the owner of the hotel, will come to our app and authorize the mint room third party. Okay, so using an set authorized transaction, authorized minter transaction, he can delegate the mint functionality to this app owner, which is nothing but a Mint Rooms app. Okay, then with this credentials, with this functionality or authorization, he takes all the rooms what are available in the hotel and issue a token. It's nothing but a ticket in NFT format. Okay, so he lists those tickets in the app page. Now what he will do, he will take every details and room details and everything. He mints a token for it. We actually use the bulk mint token for that. So in order to use the bulk mint, we use the ticket create, and after the bulk mint is created, it will show in the app. Then users who want to rent it will come and accept an offer. As soon as the accept is completed, the 80% share will be given back to the owner, who is the owner. And third part regarding the hook spot, the hook spot deals with the triggers. Like, so here, as soon as the user books the hotel, in the hooks we check whether the given user is already there in our list or not, in our hooks known addresses or not. If he is not there, means he is a first time user, we will automatically send him the 5% cashback, 5% Ripple, whatever the amount he bought for the NFT will be given to him when the transaction is completed. So that is the overall flow for it. Now coming to this part, this is the admin page, hotel admin page. I already copied some addresses. Okay, so this is admin page, this is the mint room contract, and this is tenant. Okay, let first log in with the hotel admin, pin whatever you like. And the hotel image, Tirupati. So this is the normal credentials hotel admin will provide in order to generate just a transaction with this login. Now you can see we got Viceroy Hotel and Tirupati and the location. Here you can see we provided a dashboard, how many people we have, and total earnings he had, and the number of bookings, and total booked NFTs, like that. And also the dashboard showed monthly revenue. So this is the dashboard. Now coming to the important part, room details. As soon as I click the room, it is asking for me to set the our app, Mint Room app, as an authorizer. So we need to set this ID as an authorizer to mint the rooms on behalf of. So I'm clicking set minter. I'm using some SDK, XUMM some SDK to get all these details. So using your sum app, you can authorize the transaction. Let me open, I'm opening the sum app now, and logging in as this account 6XA, which is the hotel account. I'm authorizing this transaction. In the real time, you can see how it can affect. Okay, I got the transaction successful in the app. Now this will be a authorized minter. Now we have the authorization set. Now we can have the mint room application to mint the application for us. So if we check in the text explorer, you can see that the minter is address nothing but what you have given, 9UR. Okay, so this is completed. Now the second part, we add the rooms. This is actually entry in the database. So room number 1, I would like to 25 ripples. Room number 2, 100 ripples. So you can have whatever the databases you would like. Room 3, 150 ripples. Now once everything is done, now we can click the select all and click on the bulk mint. All these details and information will be taken, and respective NFT IDs will be generated. Now you can see after the minting process, everything is came back as an NFT. Now you can check the NFT in the real-time explorer. So this is a burnable NFT because we can burn the tokens whenever they expires. So we have that option there. So that's why it is a burnable. And the owner is nothing but who owns, and issuer is nothing but the hotel admin. Now this is how you have different NFTs are generated in a bulk manner. You can see 150 and it should be 100. And one thing, when after the minting process, automatically we make a sell offer for it, whatever the amount the hotel admin is provided. So for this NFT ID, the sell offer is 100 XRP offered by our minter, and this is the transaction. This is the offer index if you want to accept this offer. Okay, so this part, the admin part is completed now. Now coming back to the user part. So coming the user part, user have list of hotels he can select from based on cities and locality like that. You can also check who is the owner of it. So the owner of is 6XA. Okay, so as soon as I select, I get whatever the rooms available in that room, in that hotel. So these are the available rooms, and I can check the offer, NFT offer creation, who created it, how much it is, and the token, the respective token, what it holds, and who created it, and who is the initiator of it. Now let me book a room on behalf of user. I have already some account saved. Let me give that itself. So this is the tenant address I am giving. You just need to give a public ID. It's enough, so you can accept the transaction from the sum app. So submit. As soon as I submit, I get the QR code to scan from the sum app. Now I am opening the sum app now, switching to the tenant and scanning the QR code now. It seems completed. Now as soon as the offer is completed, now you can go to my bookings. You see the list of bookings that are available for you, which are booked by you. Okay. Now when I come to the home page, now if you would like to check what are the NFTs you got, so automatically you bought the sell offer, so you should be getting one Ripple, one NFT. So you have already bought one NFT. Now this is the NFT which we just initiated. Okay. Now, and also whoever the owner might have got the 25% of this transaction. 80%. 6XA is the owner. He should have got the money now. See, 20 got he bought the room for 25, the 80%. Now he got 20. Now this is completed in terms of what we can do using NFT things. Now coming back to the hook spot. So this is the hook spot what we have developed here. Let me compile to the WASM. Deploy, and the accounts are let's say hotel admin, mint room contract and tenant. So payment, let me first set the hook for the contract, mint contract, payment, hook. Now we set the hook. Okay. Now coming to the testing purpose, when someone sends some money, some XRP, if it is the first time sender, he will get the 5% cash back. Okay, so that is the contract that he has, that mint room contract. The hook functionality will be attached to this contract, this address. Whenever further incoming transaction is triggered, it will check if the account is already there or not, or new account. If it is a new account, we will initiate a cashback of 5 or 10%. It's predefined. Now let me select tenant. He is paying actually. Now mint contract. Let's say I pay 100 XRPs. Okay. Now you can see he has 10,000 XRPs. Sending 100 XRP might be somewhere 9,900 something, but because of the reverse hooks transaction, it will be more. You can see the emitted transactions. You see the 10, it should have 9,900, but he got 10 cashback because he sent 100. If you want to check the transaction, you can go to this. This is the cashback which is actually offered from our account, the Minter account. Now let's also check for the situation where the transaction happens again, like tenant makes a second transaction to the mint room thing. Now if you see here, I'm making again 100. So this is not a first transaction, so it should debit 100. So now it is 9,810. So he didn't get the extra 10 cashback. If it was, he should have 9,820 XRPs. So this is how we can implement hooks in our NFT contracts, NFT mints.